Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This video is about the makhraj and exit point of letter Ra and Lam. As you know that we were doing the exit points and Makharij of Arabic letters. So today we got letter Ra here, this one, and after that we have Lam. Ra and Lam, they got almost same makhraj, same exit point, as we use tip of our tongue and front palate for Ra as well as for Lam, right? Ra and Lam, both of them are being pronounced with the tip of the tongue and front palate. Ra, Lam, Ra, Lam, Ra. Say that with me. Ra, Lam, Ra, Lam. Here in this picture, we are using tip of our tongue here and front palate. And in Lam, we are using tip of our tongue and front palate as well. So Ra, this one is Ra, this one is Lam. Okay, I hope you got the point and the makhraj of letter Ra and Lam. Insha'Allah ta'ala, we will do remaining Arabic letters in our next video sessions. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.